Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I'm Deidran. Now, Ding Dong has stepped up his philanthropic efforts. The DJ yesterday delivered on his promise to donate tablets to students in his community of Nannyville. The DJ, who was surprised when Grace Foods decided to match his purchases during an interview on Sim's Soul Session, told E-Prime that he was grateful for the assistance.
You heard about that? Because you're still giving back to your community. Your Grace family is matching your tablet donation, and they wanted us to tell you that they're have everything packaged and ready to go for you, for your community in Nannyville. We have the package. We're going to give it to you when you're leaving.
But we see the situation, it's still bad for the people them, schooling, and we hear the youths them cry out there, we hear the parents them cry. So, we just, with the heart we have, we just do what we can do and things. Kids them appreciate it, the kids them love it.
Ding Dong, artist and dancer, is currently a brand ambassador for Grace Tropical Rhythms. Sting to return as a virtual show after a 4-year hiatus. According to the organizers, the virtual event dubbed Sting World of Clash will go ahead in its new format on the usual Boxing Day. The event is set to feature an international lineup, but local names have been floating, however, and organizers have not made any announcement, but instead have, through their Instagram platform, asked fans to select the local acts they would like to see. Dubbed the greatest one-night reggae and dancehall show on earth, Sting will maintain its clash element. This year will be pay-per-view, with $1 from every ticket sold going towards purchasing tablets to help school children with online education efforts across the world. And in news overseas, Eminem and Rihanna the Monster has now surpassed 600 million streams on Spotify. The Grammy-winning collaboration was released 7 years ago today and was certified 6 times platinum. Fans of the singer are currently going down memory lane, calling for another collaboration from the two, and of course, calling for Rihanna to drop her latest body of work. Rihanna, on the other hand, has disclosed in previous interviews that she is in no rush to drop new music, as her current focus is on her brand, Fenty, for which she broke the internet yesterday when she posted this photo, dressed in a Savage X Fenty corset and sheer bodysuit. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.